First, the top news headlines. Scientists identify 69 drugs that may be effective in treating coronavirus patients. India reports 8 coronavirus fatality, confirmed cases jump to 415. And racial hate crimes again, Northeast people go to rise in Delhi. Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You are watching news today at 1 p.m. And now let's have the news in details. Nearly 70 drugs and experimental compounds may be effective in treating the coronavirus, a team of researchers reported yesterday night. Some of the medication are already used to treat other diseases and purposing them to treat COVID-19. The illness caused by the coronavirus may be faster than trying to invent new antiviral from scratch, the scientists said. According to media reports, the researchers have submitted a paper to a journal for publication. To come up with the list, hundreds of researchers embark on an unusual study of the genes of the coronavirus, also called SARS-CoV-2, to infect a lung cell. The coronavirus must insert each gene, co-opting the cell's own genetic machinery. The cell begins to produce viral proteins which are used to produce millions of new viruses. Each of those viral proteins must be able to latch on to the necessary human proteins for the process to work. The World Health Organization (WHO) is discouraging the use of free social distancing. As per media reports, the organization has urged people to use the phrase physical distancing instead. This, according to WHO, is to provide a clear understanding that the government's directive to stay home amid the coronavirus outbreak is not about breaking social contacts with family and friends, but about keeping a physical distance to ensure the disease doesn't spread. In an attempt to prevent the widespread of COVID-19, the governments across the world are encouraging people to avoid public gatherings. A 68-year-old man from Philippines who tested positive for coronavirus infection and later recovered has died at a hospital in Mumbai, taking that toll in India to 8. Maharashtra also reported 15 additional cases of COVID-19 infections, taking the total number of cases in India to 415. India's latest fatality is the third death reported from the Mumbai in connection with the coronavirus. He had initially tested positive for coronavirus and was under treatment at the Civic-run Kasturba Hospital. He was later shifted to a private hospital after his test report came out negative. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation said in the statement. He died at the private hospital last Sunday night, as per reports. In a fresh case of racial attack amid the COVID-19 pandemic in the capital city of Delhi, just after the Janata curfew ended last night, a man belonging to mainland India in his 40s spat pan or chewing tobacco from the mouth on the Delhi University student from Manipur. She was on her way to get grocery items from a shop after the Janata curfew called by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ended at 9 p.m. The incident took place near the university campus at Vijayanagar, single-story northwest Delhi. The street wore a deserted look because of the curfew, and the man in question took his as an opportunity to carry out the act. Report also informed that the miscreant also hurled racist remarks like "Chinki Corona" to the girl. Over the incident, Manipur Students Association Delhi (MSAD) has lodged an FIR at Patel Chairs Police Station last midnight. MSAD President Chinkai Saikhom said that The association had also informed all concerned authorities, including Northeast Spooner Northeast Special Police Unit for Northeast Region at Malvianagar regarding the increasing racial crime against the people of Northeast in the national capital. He also urged all civil society groups and student organizations to look into the incident as life of the Northeast people in Delhi are becoming more vulnerable to racial attacks on daily basis. Meanwhile, the Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, has condemned the Delhi incident. And now let's have a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chapan marifom do digi hona chai kontramanga hena Northeast India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ne lereklaba Nauka gi Info Center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam ta da awaba mayok na dibna al koding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklenshin directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable oidaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabag ngam gi pangal wala badong gi khang chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjingbatomtv Imphal West ki admission hauzare. Course singdi BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBNE. Form thaba April ki date 1 dagi hauzaragani. Aku pamarol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga ekhogi phone number 9612812346 natraga 764192 for the contact of you.
Back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked the people of India to take the lockdown announced to control the spread of coronavirus seriously and duly follow instructions. Taking note of some were not following instruction, Prime Minister Modi urged people to save themselves and their family by following the instruction seriously. Prime Minister Modi took to Twitter this morning as confirmed cases in India crossed 400. The Prime Minister also called on the state governments to ensure rules are followed to contain the spread of COVID-19. As per reports, all interstate buses, passenger trains and metro services were suspended across the country till March 31, while 30 districts in 7 states and 5 union territories were placed under complete lockdown to control the spread of novel coronavirus. Unidentified assailants exploded a bomb at the CI post of 113 Battalion BSF at Lamjingbatomtv under Thaubal district last night at around 7:30. No one was injured in the explosion. According to a police report, the bomb exploded near the sentry post number 4 of the BSF post. Police recovered a Dio scooter from the explosion site. They also found a suspected remote control device inside the pocket of a torn jacket at the site. A combined team of Imphal East Commando and 15 Assam Rifles arrested an active cadre of militant group KCP PWG on March 21 during counter-insurgency operation at Yumnam Patlaw Thongkhong in Imphal East. The security forces also seized one single-barrel gun with 3 live rounds from the arrested cadre, a police report said today. The arrested has been identified as 38 years old Soibam Malemngan Bamaite of Yumnam Patlaw Maning Laikai under Imphal East. In view of the coronavirus threat, the Deputy Commissioner Bishnupur District imposed Section 144 of CRPC in the entire Bishnupur District with immediate effect till March 31st. DC Nita Arambam has banned assembly of 4 or more persons outside their residences. All social, religious and political gatherings have also been restricted through this order. However, the order shall not apply to the government agencies involved in the enforcement of the law and order and other essential services, the order mentioned. Amid the COVID-19 threat, Section 144 of CRPC has been imposed in Jiribam district. Roads remain empty and most commercial establishments remain closed today. However, pharmacies were opened in the district. As per the directive of Home Department Social Secretary Gyan Prakash, entry of all public transport service and private vehicles from Jiribam, Mau, Jesami, Tipaimuk, Sinjal and other places into Manipur has been banned indefinitely with immediate effect. However, oil tankers and vehicles transporting LPG cylinders are exempted from the purview of the directive, the order said. A team of Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited today gave awareness to TOMTV staff at the TV channel's office at Uripo Khostamlekai, Imphal on effective steps of hand washing and safety measures against COVID-19. The team thoroughly explained the need of maintaining hygiene and sanitation, especially hand washing. WHO has instructed everyone to wash their hands properly, at least for 20 seconds to fight the virus and to avoid face touching. And now let's have another short commercial break.
Lamjingba Cab brings you a brand new fare chart for wedding packages. Package number 1, within Imphal city area up to the range of 15 kilometers for 6 hours at rupees 1,800 only. Package number 2, outside Imphal city area ranging from 15 kilometers to 30 kilometers for 6 hours at 2,000 rupees only. Package number 3, outside Imphal city area beyond 30 kilometers for 6 hours to 8 hours at rupees 2,600 only. For details, suggestions or feedback, please contact 180010275959 or 8794613154 or visit our office at Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Mandir. Chahi khudingi position holder lep palaitana puthokliba marks time classes ki admission hojare. Lakliba April ki tang taruk tagi class hojaragani. Batch samada mahiroi tara manga dagi hena logjaroi. Akak nabasit kaktani.
The teachers are really helpful and are out here to help you in the best way they can. They're not egoistic and are really helpful.
For exam preparation, I recommend Markson is one of the best coaching centers. We inculcate friendly learning environment and all the teachers here are also perfect. I recommend all my friends to come and join us. Let's create toppers.
Welcome back. Meghalaya government has taken up various precautionary measures against COVID-19 threat. Starting today, a model of 1 day open and 2 days closure will be adopted so that social distancing can be effectively enforced for the whole population of the state. For the 3-day period that is from today till March 25, the open day will be today. On the open day, shops, stores, godowns, establishments dealing in essential items and services including pharmacies, grocery, soaps, vegetables and fruit vendors, meat and fish vendors, toiletries, rake-away food outlets, LPG cylinders, outlets and deliveries, petrol pumps, banks and ATMs will be open. However, operation of all other commercial and business establishments is prohibited. Movement of all public transport including local taxis and auto rickshaws are also restricted. Only 25% of such vehicles are allowed to ply in the 3 districts of East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills and West Jansia Hills. For the period of March 24 and March 25, operation of all commercial and all forms of public transport and gathering of 5 or more people in all public areas beyond the individual households is prohibited.
The last few days, there have been a lot of movements that have taken place of individuals who have been working or studying outside and have come back into the state. And in situations like these, we are finding that we are obviously monitoring as many of them as possible and will continue to request all of them to act responsibly and inform us if they've come. And so therefore, it is important for the government and for the health department to then monitor these individuals, guide these individuals in the next 10 to 14 days now to ensure that they don't develop any symptoms. And if we allow free movement and allow them and others also to mingle, then the chances of this coming across or spreading to other individuals is much higher.
Arunachal Pradesh government yesterday ordered a lockdown across the states from today till March 31st in view of coronavirus outbreak. As per reports, a notification to this effect issued last afternoon will be enforced from 5 p.m. today till midnight of March 31st. According to the notification, all shops and business establishments bearing pharmacies and shops selling essential commodities will remain closed during the lockdown period. All public transport services like buses, taxis, auto, sumos and others and private vehicles will be off the road during this period. People have been directed to stay at home and do only basic activities. A royal aide at Buckingham Palace has reportedly tested positive for the coronavirus while Queen Elizabeth II was still at her London residence. The 93-year-old monarch shifted out of the palace to Windsor Castle indefinitely last week as a precaution after all her engagements were cancelled, and reports are that she is healthy. According to media reports, it is not known now close the royal aide in question would have gone to the Queen, but every member of the royal household staff the person came into contact with has since been placed self-isolation. The aide, who has not been named, is believed to have taken ill and tested positive for the deadly virus earlier last week. And now let's move to the sports news. Canada became the first country to boycott the Tokyo Games due to coronavirus pandemic, and Australia told its athletes to prepare for an Olympic next year as Japan and the International Olympic Committee IOC flagged the prospect of the postponement for the first time, according to media reports. Opposition to holding the Games in July has risen sharply in the past 48 hours, with several major stakeholders such as US track and field and UK athletics, along with some national Olympic committees, calling for a delay because of the pandemic. And now let's see local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Public curfew call of Prime Minister total in Manipur. Public transport ban. CRPC 144 in all districts. Delhi lockdown till March 31st. The People's Chronicle. Janata curfew total in state. Frontline COVID-19 fighters lauded. Chief Minister meets heads of private hospitals. Government suspends public transport. State asked to earmark special hospitals. Imphal Free Press. Janata curfew successfully enforced across state. Total ban on public transport. Section 144 imposed on all districts. All Manipur Working Journalists Union issues health advisory for media persons. Manipur Mail. Curfew total. Restrictions imposed on events, movement. Nemcha calls for peaceful coexistence. World Health Organization suggests proper healthcare, not lockdown.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Effective in treating coronavirus patients. India reports 8 coronavirus fatality, confirmed cases jump to 415. And racial hate crime against Northeast people continue to rise in Delhi. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us, and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update, and have a good day ahead.